What's up, guys? So have you ever been driving and you notice your windshield wipers aren't windshield wiping? We're going to be replacing the windshield wipers. It's real easy. You just pull it up, pull it down, take the old one off, and then ones like this, they have a little clip. You just open. Just gonna push it. Whatever. There you go. That one's done. Let's do the passenger side. Just gonna pull it down. And slide in the new one. And you'll hear it click just like that. Alright guys, that's it. Drive safe. God bless and peace.